gentlemen, um, no one really is more worthy of being called a global icon than the man who's coming on stage next. A man who has ruled Hindi cinema for over 25 years. He is the undisputed king of the Indian film industry. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone, and first of all, thank you all of you who are on stage. Manoj Saab, Ali, Shamak, Tom, and Saurabh. Team which is trying to bring together what we might seem like, oh, one more award function. But that's all right. I think more the merrier. And the idea here is to authenticate, make it something which is a little more real, honest, upfront, and different in terms of even performances that will happen later on in America. And when I was told about it, the Indian Academy Awards, I'm happy that we would be able to do this in America, and there's a platform which they'll explain to you. I'm sure everybody's been talking about it. It's a platform where you're not only getting Hindi cinema or Hindi films, you're getting even the South Indian films to be participants. You're also getting some of the films from Hollywood, which we may have liked here in India or otherwise, and include them in the awarding process, which kind of first helps India to have far-reaching effects for the cinema. We are the oldest filmmaking nation in the world. We made the largest number of films, but we still do need an expansion in a market which will make sure our cinema goes worldwide. It's been some time that we have not been able to achieve that. So I thank all the people here on stage, all the teams which are participants now, to try and make this happen. For me, as an actor, as a producer, as an Indian film person, the most important thing is, can our cinema reach worldwide? And Tom has been extremely helpful and extremely kind in allowing us, access to America to be able to hold this function, accessed here at the embassy, and everyone who's been busy behind the scenes at the American Consulate. A big thank you to you all for taking this initiative. And personally, Tom also likes Bollywood films, so I'm going to take him for a few dances and teach him some. And Shamak is here already. I'm sure he'll start choreographing. And just a little mention that, the process has been explained, will be explained as we talk here, and you'll get to know more about it. But to create an academy, to create a world where all the fans, so to say, can participate in choosing the films online by a very simple registration process I've been made to understand on the website that will be launched, I'm sure now. It just amalgamates, includes everyone in the process of deciding which films they like, not only just in terms of popularity, but in terms of content, design, and style. And anyway, with social media, everybody is such a big participant now. I think it's high time we legalized it, organized it, and put it on floor as the Indian Academy Awards are planning to do. So my best wishes. I'm to perform there. I'm sure a lot of other Indian actors and actresses will also participate. I'm sure there'll be participants from the American film industry and, of course, the most loved South Indian film industry. So it'll be really nice to have all of us going there, enjoying ourselves for a two-day function, I'm explained, which also includes fashion and music, and of course the award function or the ceremony which follows. So thank you very much, all of you, for being here once again, the whole American Consulate, Tom, and everybody present on this dais for putting this together. I'm honored to be a part of the first Indian Academy Awards. Thank you so much, and have a very good evening, everyone. Thank you.
Wow. So Shah Rukh, you've actually...
Okay, sorry, I'm sorry.
You actually pretty much covered everything that we needed to ask you. You're that good. But I just wanted to, just a little thing about whenever we've looked at the Academy Awards that happen in, say, Hollywood, everyone here in our industry says, we don't have an academy that is as, as together and as solid and as integrated as theirs. But in these awards, it's the people who are going to be choosing. Do you really believe it's the people who decide whether a film is worth putting out there or an academy?
I think it's a big discussion. Whenever I get an award which is jury decided, I like the jury. When I get the popular one, I like but if you can have a fusion of both, I think the Oscars, the Academy has been able to maintain that. They have created an academy. I'm sure they also have loopholes, and there'll always be discussions about how the awards change around there. Each one of them will have its own loopholes and issues and discussive points. But I think a beginning like this, where people can come online, vote, at least gives you a popularity idea, if nothing else. And then if you have a set of people behind the scenes, as I'm sure they will, to get the cue from there, and within that choose the winners, maybe a fairer judgment of how a film should be.
Less foolproof.
Nothing is foolproof, but yeah, okay, a little less,
Great.
yeah.
We look forward to it. We'll look forward to your participation in the Indian Academy Awards. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we are here for, the unveiling of the big IAA trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please request Mr. Shah Rukh Khan to now unveil and give us the first look of the Indian Academy Awards trophy, please.